guys, I just made this onigiri squishy that I really liked. Let me show you how to make it. Slow rising equals 8.5 out of 10. First, place any type of stuffing on the tissue paper. Some kind of soft plastic bag will also works well. Wrap them up. Time to make it cute. Let's decorate it. Make sure to be gentle and write carefully so you don't rip it like me, haha. Finally, make it even more satisfying by wrapping it up with wrap paper, and you're done.